concoctions of the mental illness kind. I just had a really big cry. Figured I'd document it because not everything is happy all the time. Been filming, been productive, doing great at work, had a really great couple weeks, and now I'm crashing. Mental illness is and feels like you're always worried when there's happy days because you're like, when's the next downward spiral gonna be? Here we are at the bottom of that spiral. But I have a job to go to. I have set today to shoot on. I know I'm gonna be okay, but it still sucks, you know? It's just how life is, I guess. Going to the gym in the snow feels like unlocking a new life achievement. Like I could be cozy, but I'm choosing to do this even more so than usual. I'm not wearing enough layers for sure. But we live.
You can do a calf stretch, but I'm sure your calves will need it.
That is the energy of these classes.
All the time.
All the time. Having walked 2 minutes in the snow, my shoes are now soaking wet, so can't wait to get home, but the workout was fantastic. We did core, we did upper body, we did lower body. Kind of did everything, kind of love it actually. Not gonna lie, last week was kind of rough. I was struggling so hard to understand what was happening to me, and I just could not figure it out. There were a bunch of possibilities because I went off my antidepressants recently with the help of a psych, of course. Don't do that by yourself. So my moods were all over the place, had a bunch of things happening with work and the business. Hadn't been sleeping too well because of the anxiety of trying to figure out what was happening to me, and then the cycle perpetuated itself, of course, as is customary for any mental illness patient. So yeah, it's been kind of rough, but we're at the weekend and it's gonna be great. I feel it. Well, maybe not great, but it's gonna be relatively decent, I hope. I think I've kind of figured out the bulk of what was going on. It was a mix of withdrawal, bipolarity, lots of fun concoctions of the mental illness kind. We'll figure it out as we go, I think is kind of where I'm at. Just take it one day at a time. So I'm not gonna push myself too hard, but I'm also not gonna not push myself. I'm just gonna play it by ear, see how it goes. Make a list and see if I can get any of it done. On the agenda, we have rock climbing, brunch, pouring candles, packing some orders for candles, and journaling, reading, writing, the usuals. Let's just see where the wind takes us. And by wind, I definitely mean the absolute biting cold that has been plaguing New York for the past few weeks. It is winter, so I suppose that's a good thing. I'm gonna take you along because I've been enjoying that vlog vibe significantly. Dessert. Sneakers in the rain and on the coldest day.
Gonna be a quick one.
It was gonna be a quick brunch, but then we decided to get dessert. So.
Oh,
no. Try the other one. Which do you want?
Okay. Simple things.
That's not bad.
Seemed like a good idea at the time.